Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School, which is situated near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, today we are going to study about some question answers related to the GK, that is topic is current affair. The topic is current affairs. So today we will study about some general knowledge question answer which is known as current affairs. So let's start the current affairs. See here, the first question is, who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? Who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? The answer is Bhupendra Bhai Patel. What is the answer? Bhupendra Bhai Patel. So spelling is Bhupendra Bhupendra Bhai Patel. Now, and the next question is, which party has become the 9th national party in India? Which party has become the 9th national party in India? The answer is Aam Aadmi Party. What is the answer? Aam Aadmi Party. I repeat the question again. Which party has become the 9th national party in India? And the answer is Aam Aadmi Party has become the 9th national party in India. Now come to question number 3rd. Which is the national tree of India? Which is the national tree of India? The answer is banyan tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. Now question number 4. Which is the national fruit of India? Can you know the name of the national fruit? You all are like, this fruit we get in summer season. And the name of the national fruit of India is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Okay. Now come to the next, that is question number 5. Name the 3 colors of Indian flag. I repeat the question again. Name the 3 colors of Indian flag. And the answer is saffron, white, dark green. Saffron, white, dark green. The spelling of saffron is S-A-F-F-R-O-N. Saffron. Then next, W-H-I-T-E, white. And the third one is dark green. D-A-R-K, dark. G-R-E-E-N, green. Dark green. So these are the 3 colors of Indian flag. Now come to the next question. That is question number 6. In question number 6, what is the name of the chakra in Indian flag? What is the name of the chakra in Indian flag? So the answer is Ashoka Chakra. A-S-H-O-K-A. Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Ashoka Chakra. C-H-A-K-R-A. Chakra. Ashoka Chakra is the national of the chakra in. So by this we have completed these 6 current affairs. I repeat once more, one by one. First one is, who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? Answer is Bhupendra Bhai Patel. And second, which party has become the 9th national party in India? So the answer is Aam Aadmi Party. And question number 3, which is the national tree of India? And the answer is banyan tree. Banyan tree. Okay. Then fourth, which is the national fruit of India? So the answer is mango. Answer is mango. And fifth, name the three color of Indian flag. Name the three colors of Indian flag. Answer is saffron, white, dark green. Then question number 6. What is the name of the chakra in Indian flag? What is the name of the chakra in Indian flag? So the answer is Ashoka Chakra. The name of the chakra in Indian flag is Ashoka Chakra. So we have done these 6 questions. Now we will continue question number 7. So let's start question number 7. So in question number 7, see here, what is the full form of AIR? What is the full form of AIR? So the answer is All India Radio. ALL, all, INDIA, India, RADIO, radio. All India Radio is the full form of AIR. Then next question number 8. Who is the CM of Uttar Pradesh? Who is the CM of Uttar Pradesh? So Sri Yogi Aditya Nath. Okay, Sri Yogi Adityanath is the CM of Uttar Pradesh. Now question number 9. Who is the Prime Minister of India? So who is the Prime Minister of India? Sri Narendra Modi. Sri Narendra. So Sri Narendra Modi. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Spelling is SHRI Sri NARENDRA Narendra MODI Modi. Sri Narendra Modi. Now come to question number 10. Which is the national animal of India? Which is the national animal of India? So the answer is the Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger. Spelling is BENGAL. Bengal TIGER. Tiger. So the Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. Now next question number 11. Who is the father of the nation? Who is the father of the nation? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. MAHATMA. Mahatma GANDHI. Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation. Now come to the next question, that is question number 12. See, in question number 12, name all the colors of 5 Olympic rings. Name all the colors of 5 Olympic rings. Okay. So in this, see here, blue, yellow, green, black, red. So blue, yellow, black, green and red are the 5 colors in Olympic rings. Spelling is BLUE blue, YELLOW yellow, BLACK black, GREEN green and RED red. So these are the 5 colors in Olympic rings. Now come to the next question, that is question number 13. That is question number. In question number 13, who is the Home Minister of India? Who is the Home Minister of India? So the answer is Shri Amit Shah. SHRI Shri AMIT Amit SHAH Shah. Shri Amit Shah is the Home Minister of India. Now question number 14. In question number 14, who was the first president of India? So the answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I repeat the question again. Who was the first president of India? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Now come to the next, that is question number 15. 15. Which are the three numbers that give the same result when multiplied and added together? I repeat the question again. Which are the three numbers that gives the same result when multiplied and added together? Can you guess? ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करें या फिर ऐड करें वो तीन नंबर तो भी सेम आंसर आएंगे? कैन यू गेस इट? विच नंबर दैट इज नंबर 1, 2 and 3. See, 1 + 2 3, 3 + 3 6, right? एक बार if we have added we get answer 6, and if you will multiply, see here 1 + 2 + 3 is equal to 6, and 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to, see here 1 2 are 2, 2 3 are 6. If you will add or multiply, you will get the same answer, that is answer 6. So the three common number is what? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so answer is 1, 2 and 3. Now come to the question number 16. What is the kangaroo baby called? What is the kangaroo baby called? The answer is Joy. Joey. Joy. Then next, that is 17. Which planet has a moon as a satellite? Which planet has a moon as a satellite? Can you know? Yeah, the answer is Earth. 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 The Earth planet has a moon as a satellite. So by this we have completed up to 17 questions. Okay, now let's start once again I will go through who is the Home Minister of India. So Shri Amit Shah. And who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which are the three numbers that give the same result when multiplied and added together? 1, 2 and 3. What is the kangaroo baby called? Joey. Joy. Which planet has the moon as a satellite? The answer is Earth. 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 So by this we have completed up to 17 question answer. Now let's start the question number 18. Let's start question number 18. Which is the highest mountain peak? Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Can you guess which is the highest mountain peak in the world, students? Yeah, the answer is Mount Everest. The answer is Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. The spelling is MOUNT. Mount EVEREST. Everest. Mount Everest. So let's start question number 19. The question number 19 is which city in Asia got the first electric street light in 1905? Which city in Asia got the first electric street light in 1905? Can you know? Yeah, the answer is Bangalore. BENGALURU. Bangalore city in Asia got the first electric street light in 1905. 105. Now come to the question number 20, that is, which is the biggest part of the brain? Which is the biggest part of the brain, student? I think we have studied in science also. Can you know which is the biggest part of the brain? Yes, the answer is cerebrum. The answer is cerebrum. 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 So cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. Now come to next question, that is question number 21. The largest country in the world is? Have you seen the map? You have studied in SST also, world maps and India map. So can you know which is the largest country in the world is? Yeah, the answer is Russia. The spelling is RUSSIA. Russia is the largest country in the world. Now next question is, that is 22. India's largest freshwater lake is? India's largest freshwater lake is? Do you know India's largest freshwater lake? The name, what is the name of the India's largest freshwater lake, students? Was the answer is Wular Lake. The answer is Wular Lake. Spelling is WULARLAKE. Wular Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India. Now come to the last question, that is question number 23. Which state has the highest literacy rate in India? Can you know which state has the highest literacy rate in India? Yeah, the answer is Kerala. The spelling of Kerala is KERALA. So Kerala is the state that has the highest literacy rate in India. So students, today in this video we have done total 23 questions and answers related to the current affairs. So please all of you go through on it, learn it by heart, all the current affairs, and also write it in your fair copy. The note is given, write the following current affairs in your fair copy. So please learn it by heart. Be active with your homeworks, be active with your studies, be concentrate your health also. Please stay home safely and stay healthy. Bye. We will meet in the next video with the next lecture. So bye. Thank you.